Hi everyone, I'm Liz Curran, Executive General Manager, Health and Education. I'm excited to let you all know about a culture initiative that we are implementing across our business called the Health and Education GYM. GYM stands for Getting the Best Out of You and Me. Getting the best out of you and me brings all our people and culture initiatives and elements together under one umbrella to help all of you deliver critical services for patients, students, residents, and the broader community. It's providing layers of support to our most valuable asset, you. I'm really passionate about this as it will allow us all to feel supported to bring the best version of ourselves to work every day. It will focus on the key elements of our new target culture across Downer, including owning it, walking in our customers' shoes, and that includes the patients, the students, the residents. And last but absolutely not least is that our differences will make the difference. It will also further develop our skills in the areas of psychological safety and open talk, inclusion and recognition, respect at work, teamwork, and really importantly, and the most fun part, celebrating success. Each month of the program will be focusing on a different area together. It's important to note that this is not designed to add to your workload. This is about bringing everything together under one cohesive umbrella. It's about connecting more with our team members and helping our teams to thrive. This program will be the glue to bring everything and everyone together at their best. I will now ask Maureen Frank from Emberin, our Inclusion and Culture Partner, to share some stories from other organisations who've taken this journey. She will also touch on some hard facts that prove that focusing on culture is not only good for our business, but it's good for us as individuals, and it really is a worthwhile investment. Thank you in advance for championing this journey in 2024 with yourself and your teams. I really appreciate your leadership and care with this important program of work. Stay safe and see you soon.
Welcome to the Downer Health and Education GYM. This is all about getting the best out of you and me. It's about creating the culture we need for each of you to really succeed, for leaders to get the best out of you, because we know how good it feels when someone makes us feel special, like we belong, like our uniqueness is okay and truly valued. What I know is that when we have that, we smash performance. We have teams that love working here and with each other. It's about feeling included. And here are some fun facts. Employees who've worked for an inclusive leader experience 81% increased productivity and performance, 84% increased motivation, 81% greater engagement and loyalty, 86% increased innovation and creativity, and 78% improved collaboration. But I don't need to share the stats with you, do I? You know what it feels like to work for an inclusive leader. You just give more. You perform at your best. You know it's the secret to a high-performance culture. And when you have a team like that, you outperform and you love coming to work. Is that what you want?
The H&E GYM, Getting the Best Out of You and Me, will be consistent for each level of the organisation. We want to keep this simple, just one theme per month for everyone to focus on. This is a great development opportunity and it's a real investment in all of our team members. So we want everyone to really benefit from this program. So thank you upfront. Thank you for the role that you'll play in leading this with your teams. It's a really exciting time ahead and I can't wait to see the program come to life through each and every one of you.